welcome back to Project Wellington. Today we're going to be servicing a smart car. This is a 2005 and this one's a 700cc. These engines don't have a sump plug at the bottom like the newer one, so you have to use a pump. So the best way of doing that is just pulling out the dipstick and putting your pipe into there and then switching on, and what that will do is start to suck up all the oil out of the engine, as you can see. So we come back when that's empty. Okay, so we've drained the oil out of that one. There's not too much in there. I think it's about 4 litres that goes in this, but I'll let you know once we've cleaned it all up. I'll probably clean that engine bay up a bit once we've done. The next job is to get the filter out of there, so we'll do that next. Okay, so it's a 27mm socket. What we're going to do is just link that up and undo it. As that is at the bottom of the engine, it does drain the rest of the oil out, which you may not have picked up from the pump, but yeah, it's only a small little thing. Comes in this box here, about £4 from Euro Parts, 501910018. So the next job is to put that in there, use some of the oil just to rotate around the seal, and then place that one back on. It just needs to be tight enough, not overly tight, because you should be able to do these up by hand. So push your new filter in, put the new rubber seal on, that's the old one, and then just rub some oil around this bit here, around the seal. That just helps it to fit in and suck in properly. Okay, so we've just put that back in, just tightened it tiny bit, not too much, and as I say, it's a 27mm socket, which is there. So yeah, once that's done, you can now start filling your oil up. Now it's time to put the new oil back in. I've bought Shell Helix Ultra 5W40, and I believe it takes about 4 litres, but I'll let you know. Put the dipstick back in. So now it's a matter of just pouring it in till it's at a safe distance, but I'll let you know how much goes in. Well, after that it was only 1.5 litres, so just be aware of that. It takes a lot less than what I thought, so that's done. So now all we got to do is start the car and run it, but first I'm going to clean that engine bay up, make it look nicer. But do the air filter next as well, which I will have to find. I believe it's probably in there, that's the air box. So that'll be next, the air filter. Okay, so the air box goes in there, or the air filter. Not too dirty, but we'll change it anyway. So yeah, that's the next job. Okay, so the air filter I bought is a Fram 502910016. That's about £10. So just slide that in that hole there. But what I'm going to do first is tidy all that up to make it look a lot light and clean. Filters in there, just tidy that up a little bit, clean this up so it's a bit more presentable, and then that's the service done. So now I'm just going to clean it all up. So thanks for watching, and come back for more servicing on other cars. Thanks for watching, bye.